Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oka from Mary Cynthia, and in this video tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how you can get crypto community management jobs. How you can get community management jobs, not just crypto related, right? Yeah, so all you just have to do is to stay true to the end of this video, and I'm going to be revealing to you up to 5 channels that you can use to get cryptocurrency community management jobs. So let's jump in right in to see what we have for today. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to learn from it. I talk about cryptocurrency, play to earn games, how you can get cryptocurrency jobs, and how you can also stake your cryptocurrency to make more reward from just buying and holding a particular cryptocurrency. So just hit the subscribe button and also share this video to your friends so that they can get to learn more about it. So like I said previously, we are going to be looking at how to get crypto community management jobs. So I'm going to be showing you up to 5 places that you can easily source for crypto community management jobs if you are looking to start any money from managing crypto community just for people. But first of all, there are some things you need to know before applying for community management jobs or even crypto related community management jobs. For any niche you want to manage a community on, you should have at least a basic knowledge of that industry. So let's take for instance, you want to manage community for some communities in the cryptocurrency space. You need at least a basic idea and knowledge of cryptocurrency, Web3, and other things relating to cryptocurrency, NFTs, right? So because you need this knowledge, you have to first of all take some YouTube videos, take some courses relating to this topic so that when you are managing these communities, you can be able to come up with content, come up with ideas that the people in these communities can relate with. So let's jump in right in. But then I must also tell you that the crypto community management space is already getting overflooded. So if you really want to stand out getting crypto related jobs, you need to learn more skills in that regard, right? So that is just it. So the first platform we have on our list today is Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing site that lists over thousands of jobs relating to tech, finance, business, and a whole lot of other topics, right? So I'm going to be using Upwork today to search for crypto community management. So let's jump in right in. I'm just going to type in community management, not crypto community management. So let's see what we have. Okay, now we have over 2,165 jobs found for community management, but then we are going to filter down to, sorry, not entry level. We're going to filter down to less than 5 proposals and also payment verified. So now you can see we have community moderator paying $5 to $12 on Upwork, and also we have content and social media specialist. I don't know if this is related to crypto, but it's not a community management work. Also, scrolling down, you're going to see social media copy editor and social channel community manager. This is $6 to $12 too, so all you just need to do is within 1 a.m. midnight and also 12 p.m. in the afternoon, always come to your Fiverr account to search for crypto community management jobs and also optimize your profile so that when people upload jobs relating to crypto community management, it will also appear on your job suggestions, right? Yeah, I mean find work. When you come to find work, you click on best matches. You're going to see some crypto community management jobs. If you have already inserted some of those tags relating to community management job on your Twitter, on your tags on Upwork, right? And also when you click on most recent, you're also still going to see some works relating to that if you have optimized your account to show you just relating to crypto community management. So the next one we have on our list is Joblist. Joblist is a Web3 cryptocurrency related job listing platform that lists cryptocurrency jobs on their platform. So you can come here, you can search for community management, community community management. We are going to see community management roles, technical support engineer, community, community manager, 73 applicants 2 weeks ago. So what you need to do is to set a reminder on this site, choose the type of jobs that you can see. This one, marketing and community management, then mark today. This was published today. Most people are not on this platform just like they are on Upwork and other sites, right? So you can see, if you click on this now, you're going to get to know more about what they are looking for, and you apply for the job if you meet the requirements needed to be a member. You can see it's even as an internship, and it's a paid internship, right? But I think this is location based for Denmark citizens. But then you can still get other crypto community management related jobs on this platform. You just have to be consistently checking it up. Follow them on Twitter so that when they tweet about jobs, you can easily see them, right? Yeah, so that is it. And also we have another one, which is Coin Market Cap. Most people use this Coin Market Cap majorly for checking the price of cryptocurrencies, but that is not just the only thing that they do, right? They also have their job board, which you can easily use to apply for jobs. So you just come here, click on job board, and you are going to see a whole lot of jobs relating to cryptocurrency. You can search for community management to see if they have any active community management job. Community management. So let's see. Community manager, 22nd of September, which is last week. You can see they even have more of community management jobs, right? And these are paid jobs. You just have to consistently check out these websites. And last but not the least, okay, second to the last, we have oh god, we have Twitter. We have Twitter. Okay, so let me go to LinkedIn first while our Twitter loads up. So now this is our LinkedIn account, right? This is my one of my LinkedIn account, not my main LinkedIn account. This is the new LinkedIn account here. So what you just need to do is to come here, search for community management. Community management. Community management. Okay, search for community management. You are going to see, okay, 4 days ago. But then what you are going to do now is to click on jobs. When you click on jobs, so that you can be able to filter down, you click on jobs, then you change your location to depending on the location that you want. If your country is not a country that most people upload jobs on LinkedIn, you just have to change it to maybe United States. Let's say United States, and you search again. Okay, so that it will bring you community management jobs in the United States. Also, you choose job type, sorry, on site or remote. Choose remote because you want to work remotely, right? And you also filter down to date posted. You want to choose less than 24 hours. Less than 24 hours. So you are going to see community relation, community manager, 4 hours ago, administrative assistant, 1 hour ago, director of community engagement, 13 hours ago, and a whole lot of other community management jobs. Just look at them, check their employers, submit your proposals. You can even check out the company's listing for the job and see if you can message them privately for these jobs, right? Yeah, so back to Twitter. So I'm going to just click here. Oh God, they would require me to log in and I don't have my active login details. Okay, so I'm just going to explain to you how you can go about jobs on link on Twitter. Let me see if they would allow me search without logging in. Okay, okay. So let me now search for what I'm looking for. Community management job. You close, close. So this is it. We are going to scroll down to see if they have recent community management jobs. Okay, they don't really have much data here, but then on a very good day you can search for other good jobs on Twitter and see jobs relating to whatever that you have, whatever skill that you have, right? So that is it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section so that I will know that my viewers are getting value for their time, right? So thank you very much for watching. Like I said, do also hit the subscribe button, right, so that more people will get to like my videos, watch my videos and learn from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.